Sanibonani ipiglasi yami ngifuna sishaye ushezi mfana wami, ngifuna sidle utoast sishaye ushezi mbukeli ngeke. Wena nje ukhanda lemtsheni okwakhe awuswa ungenzisa upart 2 hayi bokeka. Yazi uthi kuthelele sizomshaya ushezi sidle utoast. Amanzi yazi ngiyenzelani lento le, ngifuna ubone ukuthi don't believe everything you see, cause njengamanje ubusuyitshena ukuthi ngiyancila, ubusungibona engathi ngiyagalela. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomyami, uChristopher Popos is not the enemy. uChristopher Popos is imeya yaseMngeni, and uChristopher Popos as imeya wanikwa ithenda ya 11 million kwathi wasicela uthuthukise indawo yaseMngeni. Wadecide uChristopher ukuthi uzolungisa imigaqo mase elungisa amapipe amanzi khona abantu bazowathola amanzi aclean. uChristopher Popos waqasha abantu basemphakathini, waxosha ikati eziko for abantu abaningi emphakathini ngoba bese benemsebenzi sekhona income engenayo emndenini. Baqala balungisa imigaqo, baqala bafaka ama-street lights endaweni ebengenawo ama-street lights, and then 11 million waphela. uChristopher Popos akagcinanga lapho wathi ngoba isiphelile imali siyayeka. No, wahamba wayokhala ku-government wathi khona la kushoda khona, besicela ukuthi nisiphe i-boost encane, and then ugovernment wavuma wathi no, yazini siyakuboosta sikunika u-33 million. Lo 33 million uChristopher Popos wawusebenzisa ukuthuthukisa umphakathi. uChristopher Popos is not the kind of mayor ehlale office ingayilaleli ikhalazo zabantu baso. Ngo-2023 uChristopher Popos wezwa ngamahemhemu ukuthi khona ugogo ohluphekayo ohlala eMngeni, and so Christopher wayela yena mathupha efuna ukuyokhuluma nogogo. Wakhuluma nogogo wezwe ikhalazo zakhe, and same week uChristopher Popos wa-order building material yafika kagogo, kwaqala kwakhelwa ugogo umuzi omusha sha. uChristopher Popos as imeya yaseMngeni local municipality kwathi sengene yena into ipower kwavuka i-local feeding scheme. Le feeding scheme ayigcini ngokuprovide abantu be-community with ukudla, but also ipha ogogo oblankets ney'ngubo, yenze sure futhi ibanika